Ruger SR1911 officer model, 9mm, 10 yards away. Man, this is a nice shooting 1911, 3.6 inch bull barrel, full length guide rod, Novak sights, nice rear serrations there, and a very nice grip there. You can see it has a Ruger insignia on there, G10 grips, and a nice package. You know, if you're a fan of the 1911, you'll love this gun. It's like a subcompact 1911 and 9mm, holds 8 rounds in the magazine, and a very nice shooter. This is my first time out. I took a couple mags through it already and had no problem hitting the target. Everything that you dig about a 1911 is right here with the 4-pound trigger pull, single action, extended beaver tail, and aluminum frame. Matte finished stainless steel slide, nitride black slide, all together a beautiful looking gun. Does have a, you know, the thumb safety only on the left side of the gun, so not so much for lefties, but pretty much they've learned how to deal with a right-handed world, especially in the gun world. But here it is, skeletonized trigger, skeletonized hammer, nice looking package. Let's shoot it some more. "15 yards away. Let's see how it goes. That has a nice trigger. There it is, guys. Ruger SR1911 officer size with the 3.5 inch barrel. It's a nice shooter. If you love the SR1911, you'll love this gun. It's got the same trigger. It feels nice, and everything from the grips to the way it feels is pretty phenomenal. I really like this gun, and you'll be seeing more of this in the future. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.